Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put dashed border to text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to put dash border to text. Go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Now I am write anything. Then select the text and go to the home menu and increase the font size. Then applying the bold effect and align this text. Now we can see the solid color is filled. Now I am select the text and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape outline and we can see here mini outline color. Now I am select the orange color and again go back this option and increase the fonts white. Now go back again the outline and we can see here the dashes option. Now I am select the dash border. Now we can see we put dash border to text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.